Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Barber and I'm going to talk you through the lunar phase simulator activity in case you missed our instructions. So in Canvas, you are looking for two things, the lunar phase simulator links and the lunar phase simulator worksheet. So the worksheet will open up and it will make a copy for yourself. You have to click on the blue link there. And this is the digital version of our lunar phase simulator. Make sure whenever it opens that you are putting your name on the top and that you are changing this word copy of. You can type your name in there. That way it's easy for you to find. Put your name up here in the name spot and then file it. If you click on here, make sure you, if you keep your files organized in folders, you can easily move it to your science folder for easy access. Okay. So actually everything you need for this is actually on the document. If you go back into Canvas, the links are also right here. So there are two parts to this. Part one, you're going to use one website that we have, and you're going to be clicking on background pages 1, 2, and 3 to get the notes. And then part two is a more of a simulation site, a simulator site, where you're going to get your screenshots for the different moon phases. So the links are in here on Canvas, but they're actually also within the actual document, okay? So for the first part, we have you going to, this was the original simulator we used. Unfortunately, this part of it's not working for you this year. What you need down is down here, under where it says main content, background page 1, 2, and 3. And each background page has a small amount of things to read, and then you are filling in, like there's a lot of stuff down here that's bold, and that's likely some of the vocabulary that you're filling in for this section right in here. So you're going to use background page 1 for this section, and then background page 2 for these two questions, and then background page 3 for that question. Part 2 is we'll actually want you to get like screenshots of the moon phases, and that is using this website, okay, which we found as a replacement since the other one didn't work. And what you basically do, so the sun is on the left side here, here's Earth, you're looking out in space. So that's your moon phase. Right here is the new moon. The new moon is, of course, when the moon is between the sun and the Earth. So what you would do here is, and I actually did the first one for you. I've taken a screenshot. So when we have a new moon, we don't see any of the sunlit side of the moon. So the percent illumination would be the percent of the moon that's lit up in the sky. And so for, of course, the new moon, that would be 0. And I took a screenshot and I put that in for you here. So we want you to do that for all 8 moon phases. And all you have to do is click here and toggle down. There's the waxing crescent. So this is where the position of the moon would be in space compared to the Earth and the sun. And this is the screenshot that you need to take to put in your notes. This is what you would see looking out into the sky as the observer on Earth. Okay, so the waxing crescent. So the screenshot goes into your document, and then you're going to be estimating the percent of the moon that's illuminated. Of the half that you could potentially see, what percent of that is lit up approximately, okay? So that's going to be an estimate. That's something that was in the other simulator. So you can't get that exact number from the simulator, but we want you to estimate that number, okay? So you're going to do that for all 8 moon phases, go in order. That would make the most sense there. And then there are some follow-up questions at the end that you'll be answering in regarding to the moon phases. So again, both links are within the document, but they are also on this part, Lunar Phase Simulator links on Canvas, part 1 and part 2. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions.